Q, vlog number 1.
Lakas! Hello everyone and welcome to Magandang Buhay! Joke, but welcome to the first episode of Kalik's Quarantine Kitchen. And today, oh my god, ang init na ng pan. And today, we are making longganisa pasta with truffle oils. And while cooking truffle pasta, I'm gonna share with you 10 facts about me. Okay? I'll put na oil on my pan so it's preheated na. Mainit na yan. Lagyan natin ng oil. Sorry, may electric fan. Kasi pawisin ako, so hindi pwedeng ano. Okay, first fact about me is that my real name is... Ay! While wiping, I'll share with you that my real name is... Maraming salamat sa motor. My real name is Kalikasan Castillo. So, friends call me Casey for my initials, K and C, Kalikasan Castillo. And I'll share with you on a different vlog why I am named Kalikasan. So now that the onion is heated, the oil is heated, lalagyan na natin yung onions. Day. Okay. Put na the onion. Okay, the second fact about me is that I live from Baka, Manila. Taga saan ka? Taga Baka. I've lived here since I was born. So I'm 25 now. I've been here in Baka since 1994. The third fact about me is that my family's names all start with an S. So, my brother's name is Sujan, my dad is Sid, my mom is Sophie, and me, I'm called at home as Sansan. So, now I'm putting the longganisa. By the way, I used the longganisa that I bought from Mr. Aiki Talentino. It's longganisa from Tugegarao. Super sarap, promise. Try nyo. Okay. So, habang niluluto natin yung... Well, it's cooked na. Niluto ko siya in advance. So, ngayon nilagay na natin yung pinaghiwa-hiwalay na longganisa. So, we just let the fat render. Kaya mo yun. Iba na talaga ako. Iba na. So, we just let the fat render. Ayan. Parang gusto ko pa ba maraming longganisa? Oo. So, natin maraming fat. Ha. The fourth fact about me is that I am a Girl Scout and a Boy... Oh, diba? Pag-usunas ko. I'm a Girl Scout and a Boy Scout at the same time. So, ever since I was a kid, I am a Girl Scout na since grade school pa lang. Then in high school, I joined the Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Yes, I am a girl, but I am... I was a very, very active Boy Scout when I was in high school. I joined the community-based scouting group called Bright Adventure. Yeah, they were the ones who really gave me opportunities to excel in scouting. So kung hindi nyo na itatanong, I am an Eagle Scout. I am the first female Council Scout representative of Manila. I am the first female two-time 10 outstanding scouts. O, diba? Buhat bangko. Yun naman. Wala. Maliit na bagay. Fifth fact is that I have been with LaSalle since 2011. So, I started in De La Salle University as a crush. So, I'm ID 111, Centennial Batch. And then, after graduation, I graduated in 2014. Ay, oh my God! Nakalimutan ko lagyan ng butter. Lagyan ko pa rin para... Kasi we like fat. Mas maraming butter, mas maraming linamnan. Konti na lang siguro kasi ang taba niya. I graduated. Honorable mention. Pero kung hindi siguro ako nagsantagon, malamang. Loud. And then after graduation, I worked with De La Salle Philippines. So they had a parang Yolanda Rehabilitation Project. Tapos, after DLSP, I went back to DLSU. Next fact. I'm clumsy. I'm super clumsy. I get siguro mga 2 sprains a year nang wala akong ginagawa. Pa-Holy Spirit na ako dito. Never pa ako na-hospitalized, like confined sa ospital. Pero several times ako na-ER dahil natapilok, na-sprain, ganyan. 7th fact, again, ang pronunciation ay fact, hindi okay, 7th fact is I have PCOS. It's polycystic ovarian syndrome. So it's a very, very common disease for isa to sa disease. So I don't get regular periods. So parang that's what PCOS is. I take my meds. It's fine. It's nothing to worry about, really. It's, pinaka nakaka-worry lang talaga is nagkaka-pimples and tumataba. When I got checked for PCOS, I was super bigat. Madaming pimples, I was breaking out, daming excessive hair. I used to weigh 70 pounds heavier than I am now. So that's the 8th fact. So I used to weigh, lalagay ko na ngayon 3. I used to weigh 70 pounds heavier than I am now. But grabe yung oil. Kita mo yung kulay. Ang ganda. The thing is about PCOS, it makes you fat, but you have to lose weight to get rid of PCOS. So, ang hirap niya. So, I'll share with you siguro kung paano ko nag-lose ng 70 pounds on a different vlog. So, panoorin niyo yung mga vlogs ko. Baka naman. 9th fact is that I love cooking. I enjoy it. Parang, it's very therapeutic to me. Siguro kasi my mom, she cooks super good food. She cooks for the family. Sobrang dami mga pang-piyesang pagkain, ganyan. So, doon ko siguro nakahit din. Kumain at magluto. Tikma mo, lika. Salt.
Salt.
Put salt. Diba? Iniikot-ikot pa eh. Iba na talaga. So, medyo pinatay ko na kasi medyo mainit. The last fact is QQQ is a passion project. QQQ started when I had to bring my dad to the hospital who has severe gout, as in konting meat lang, as in ganong levels. Wanted my dad to eat healthier. I started cooking for him mga gulay na as in walang meat at all, just vegetables. Pero we had to be careful also in choosing the vegetables because not all vegetables are allowed with gout patients. Parang, I was just posting it on Instagram with konting mga jokes, ganyan, kaboljaka. And then parang people started telling me, oy, why don't you vlog? Ganyan, eme. Parang, I don't learn to vlog. I'm shy kasi. I'm so shy. At konting pilit, nagpakipat ng konti, napilit ng konti. And what really inspired me to start this is my brother. Because my brother also started his own vlog. Tapos parang, okay, why not? Ihahalo na natin yung pasta. What you can expect from QQQ is recipes plus boljak. So like this one, we're making truffle pasta plus 10 facts about it. Yeah. So yung pasta, I like it al dente. Ayoko ng malambot na pasta and malabsa. So I like it medyo makunat. Medyo matigas. Oh my god, this looks so good. So that's QQQ, and those are the 10 facts about me. Paandaran natin ang konting presentation ganap. Wow! May pa-twist! Iba ka na talaga. Wait, hindi ko alam yung ginagawa ko sa totoo lang. Marunong lang. O, diba? Walang... Okay, after that, we drizzle it with truffle oil. Shit, ang sarap nito, day. Talaga, nakakaluwag-luwag, nakakabili na tayo ng truffle oil. Tapos, papaandaran natin ng paminta para may freckles. That's our first recipe for Calix Quarantine Kitchen or QQQ. Longganisa pasta with truffle oil. Ang laki naman. Hindi ko naman kaya yung mga ganyang malalaking subo. Dapat very small because I have a dainty mouth. Ay, ang bango. Grabe. That's all, guys. Thank you for tuning in at Calix Quarantine Kitchen.